Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I was able to put together a good amount of glute isolated exercises for those type of days that the gym is super full and you either can't get to a barbell because the rack has like an insane line of people waiting, or you don't have the equipment because your gym is just so full, like mine usually is. But this is gonna be a really quick short video. Without any further ado, let's get started. For exercise number 1, we're gonna do the sumo squat. For this sumo squat, we're gonna use our body weight only, no dumbbells at all. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 reps. Make sure you're bringing that butt down, ass to grass, and those knees are facing outward. For our second exercise, we're going to do the dumbbell goblet squat. Now we're going to incorporate the dumbbell when squatting. Make sure those elbows are locked in. You have the dumbbell in place. Push all the way down and then push all the way up with your heels. Once you push up, don't ever forget to squeeze those glutes. And we're going to do 3 sets, 10 reps. Abduction Machine, which is when your legs are outside the machine and For the third exercise, we're going to do the hip abductor machine. What does that mean? That means your knees are inside the machine and you're pushing your legs outward. We're going to do 3 sets, 10 reps. For our 5th exercise, we're going to do the glute kickback with some weight on this machine. This machine is super good for your glute isolation. And we're going to do 3 sets, 10 reps. And make sure to, again, squeeze those glutes as you push outward. Last but not least, exercise number 6, we're going to do jump squats till failure. What does that mean? That means you're going to do as many jump squats as you can after you did all these sets of exercises for 1 round, the most reps you can do. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me those thumbs up and comment in the comment box below. These again were very glute isolating exercises for any of you who have a gym that is always jam-packed, or you can actually even do these exercises at home. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll talk to you guys next week.